Good day, beautiful people. My name is Hope, and I'm here today to show you how to make those perfect chips.
We're gonna begin by peeling 4 potatoes. Now slice into rings, then into matchsticks. Try to go to make an even shape, and then place in a bath of water. Using a paper towel or a tea towel, start drying your chips, making sure that it's well dried. Then fill a pot with oil until half full. Now set the stove to medium-low. Using a slotted spoon, test the chip. If it starts sizzling, put the rest of the chips in. Let it cook for 10 minutes until al dente. Remove with a slotted spoon and place on a paper towel, and then take up your heat to high and then recook again until nice and golden. Remove with a slotted spoon and then place on paper towel to drain the oil. Season with salt and enjoy.